Meantime, football star and 2022 Nat Moore winner Rueben Bain paid a visit to his old stomping grounds today to give back in a big way.
This is awesome. Bain donated $5,000 from his foundation to Lorah Park Elementary. He attended the school from pre-K to 5th grade, and there he excelled in academics, including science.
It means a lot to me. This is where I basically came up and made myself. I've been here my whole childhood. It's a family school for me, and just being able to have this moment and give back, it's like a why not kind of situation.
Bain even brought his Nat Moore trophy with him to the school as the kids were celebrating with their proud alum. They had the cheerleaders there, plus an assembly. Bain will graduate from the University of Miami next week. He is predicted to be a top NFL draft pick.
Absolutely. He is killing it over at the U. And if you missed the big trophy presentation, tune in to CBS Miami this Saturday at 11:30 a.m. on CW Miami 33 for the rebroadcast of the special event.